Might be wafting through some parts of eastern Portland today because I know the wind's going to pick back up a little bit, Kelly.
It is, yeah. This afternoon we're in for some breezy conditions. The good thing about today, though, likely our driest day of the week. We're expecting some sunshine, too. Here's our Pet Walk forecast. Say good morning to Ryder on the south waterfront. Christina, thank you for sending this in. Ryder looks so stylish in that jacket. Yellow looking good there. So thank you for sharing this. You can always send in your Pet Walk photos to KOIN.com/weather/Pet Walk forecast. Very easy to do. This morning it'll be a chilly start, but we are in for some sunshine from about 8 o'clock through 10 to 11. Good amount of blue skies around Portland. By the afternoon, mid-50s and warming up a little, but will be breezy, especially if you're in East Portland today and up to the north. The gorge will pick up some of those breezy east winds that blow into the east sides of Portland, but mid-50s today and just a nice day to get out for a walk, but a little chilly out there. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. We have dried out across the northwest here, but our next storm system just offshore and expected to roll in here by late tonight into Tuesday. We're back under some rainy conditions, so enjoy getting outside today if you can. We'll get a nice break here through much of the afternoon. Right now, some light scattered showers cruising by the north end of the coast, but those should be out the door here soon. And just notice how dry we are across the Portland metro area. So today our highs back in the mid-50s, which is just about normal for this point in November and in the year. Notice the sunshine out there and those breezy winds out on the west end of the gorge through Troutdale. Even Gresham and the south sides and east sides of Portland expecting those gusty winds, possibly up to 20-25 mile-per-hour wind gusts expected today. So we'll see those winds ramping up likely as we head into our late afternoon and early evening. Those stronger winds coming in from the east here. And in Portland, even down to Happy Valley and Gresham, a chance we see some wind gusts, maybe up to 25 miles per hour. The coast also picking up some of those gusty winds as we head into our morning tomorrow. That's all ahead of our next weather system. So today we are dry. We're seeing a calm weather pattern setting up. So expect to see sunshine through the morning, clouds on the increase by tonight. And our next rainy system here rolling in likely by the later evening. We'll see that warm front here swinging in some showers up the valley and out to the coast as we head into our evening. So by about 10 o'clock today, we'll start to get some showers here back in Portland a little bit earlier up the valley here, and same for the coast. So by this later evening, likely some rain showers to finish out our Monday. Heading into Tuesday morning, we'll see some soggier conditions as showers push on through. There's that big cold front that slides right across the west coast here. We'll get some new snow for the mountains too, really up in areas of Washington. Those Cascades getting some significant snow. Around Mount Hood, we'll see a few more inches going into tonight. Then we transition to more of those scattered showers through the afternoon, even some dry time expected on Wednesday. We'll be in between weather systems through much of the morning and the afternoon, so I do expect to start out dry on Wednesday. But there's our next weather system coming in from the south. That's going to swing in and bring in some soggy conditions by Wednesday night through Thursday. So likely Thursday will be our rainiest day of the week, and we continue with those rainy conditions even into Friday. So late in the week, we'll see some heavy rain back in the picture today. Again, sunny moments and some breezy winds setting up here around Portland. Not expecting those winds further into Salem and down the valley, but again, we'll see some sunshine today, so enough to enjoy for all. Out to the coast also, sun breaks and that rain coming in later in the evening. So here's our 7-day forecast. Again, on Tuesday will also be windy around the Portland metro area. Same for the coast. We do have a couple of high wind alerts out towards the coastline as that stronger system rolls in tomorrow. So we'll track that a little later in the morning here. But going into the week, Veterans Day, likely the rainiest day this week, and we continue those showers into the weekend. By Sunday, I think we see some dry time on the horizon. So we'll also track that trend and hope to see some dry moments by this weekend. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Kelly. Time now.